All right, we're going to show this real quick. So what I've done, you guys, I know this is the second recording here. Love it. What I've got here is I've got my articles. I'm trying to think back how far I showed this. First of all, step one, go to configuration. Go to site information. Here is your front page settings. What I've done is I've made a new view, just like I did with blog, and I've called it home. So look at the make a new view video and you'll figure out how to make a new view. I'm showing the three most current articles. I'll show you that view in a second. Don't worry about the number of posts because we're actually making a new default home page, which is called home. Okay, so go up here. We're going to go to structure. And we are going to go to views. And my view here is home right here. So I made this previously. And I'm going to go to edit that real quick. And really, it's just of content type articles. Show only 3 right here, 3 items. I'm making an unformatted list. And I'm showing the full content. You can also show fields instead of type, show the title, show the image, show the description. Same thing. It's just a question of how you want to display that article. But what you get is you get this long article, and you have to figure out how to convert this to make it look like the PDF on the Lolcat site. So to do that, you like how I turned a 20-minute video into a 3-minute video? You guys will thank me later. How I do that is I come into each one of these articles, I right-click on it and inspect element. And so right there, as I right-click on that, you see, let's see if I can do this well. It shows the header. Well, I don't want to show the header. I want to show the entire block. So there's the entire block. And what I do is I just double-click on that class, I copy it, and then I hop over to my Dreamweaver style sheet, and I make a new style. So I've already done this, so it's up here somewhere else. But then once I paste that in here, I just have to replace the spaces with dots, and that way I can address that specific style or styles for that specific block of text. And you notice this is different, actually, than this. So up here this is the actual style that I found that did the job. So if you look for views row, again, let's hop back over the style sheet. Here it is. So this is actually just one level higher than what I had selected. I had selected node 22. I'm going to go up 1, and I'm going to select that and double click, and I'm going to use that one. Poof. What I've done is one for each article. So notice there's a row 2, and there's a row 3, there's odd, there's even. So each of these style groupings is different for each. But what I've done is I've just done the start of some styles for that each of the 3 of these blocks. So all I do is I just put a comma in between each of those styles. Here it is again. So I can actually override this one because why? It's cascading. Right? Style sheets cascade. So one of these is going to have that first row is going to have a red background now. So if I post this to the server, save it. Yes. I'm big into saving these days. We go to performance. I want to clear the cache. We'll close it. So now when this reloads, I should see one of these turn red. Okay, so it didn't turn red. For whatever reason. That's okay, because we know that this style works. So I don't know why it didn't override. It should have. Oh, that's why right there. I didn't put my spaces in and my dots. Remove my spaces with my dots. Okay, so this will be the last of it. Hopefully this isn't too truncated. If you get stuck, post to the forum. Say, Jeff, boom, there's that red background. You did it too quick. You should have kept the first video. Why didn't you click save, you moron? Say goodbye, everybody. What? Question?
Click on your blog page. I just want to see something real quick. How do you get
Oh, look at that. So going to be more specific. Well, one,
well, and then home above blog post is now there.
which is okay. I mean, I want that in my main menu.
Right above.
Oh, this. So this is actually breadcrumbing.
Okay.
So I believe you can turn that off, although I'm not sure. Let's have a look. That's a good question. So let's have a look at that element. Whoa, href lambda? Is that what that is?
I don't even know
It's
that was typed.
the angle symbol, yeah.
Okay, so lambda. Element invisible, you are here. Breadcrumb, so that is breadcrumbing. So there, I would look in the site settings for turning breadcrumbing off. So let's go to configuration real quick.
I didn't see it inside information.
Yeah, I don't think it's here. I think it error pages. Nope. I think it's actually in appearance, probably in the theme, huh?
Breadcrumb settings, the first checked boxes show homepage link in breadcrumb.
Where? Okay, where is that?
So settings for Zen,
Okay, good. That's what I thought.
and then breadcrumb in the middle of the page.
Logo image. Use the default logo. Shortcut icon.
And then
Display breadcrumb. So that's what that is. And so as you have sub pages, like if you go to a sub blog page, then you'll see home blog, right? So blog separator, great. So that's a feature. You can turn that off. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, now I'm stopping. Say goodbye, everybody.